Welcome to Exploration Unknown. Today is our first episode of 2024. In this episode, JD reverts back to his childhood. Kenny runs like an old man. And Bill kicks back on some very colorful chairs. We headed south on 285 from Bailey in hopes of finding some National Forest access roads that weren't snowed over so we'd be able to travel down them and find something neat to see. Most roads were snowed over, so we stayed on the main road until we came to the Collegiate Mountains. This group of 14ers is a beautiful sight to see.
So here we are, the Collegiates. This group of mountains that you see here is the Collegiates, and this is where the headwaters of the Arkansas River are. So just picture in your mind that the Arkansas River that you see in Arkansas starts right here in these beautiful mountains.
We left the Collegiate Mountains and continued heading south in search for more adventure. Stopped to make a quick pit stop here in Pagosa Springs. The boys needed to go pee and they wanted to get coffee and hot chocolate and stuff. With everyone properly relieved and refreshments bought and talking Bill off of the colorful chairs, we headed south further in hopes of finding another destination to see.
Here we are at the Great Sand Dunes National Park and Reserve. What you see in front of you, these spectacular dunes, were created by, if we turn over this way and look, down valley, that's nothing but scrubland. It gets very wet, the phosphates, the silicas precipitate out of it, the wind prevailing coming this way stacks all this sand up against the mountain. So that's what you're looking at, is stacked sand. The tallest one out here is 800 foot. We're not going to try to get to the top today.
Because we're old.
Yeah, because we're old mainly.
I got nice rocks.
Nice rocks around here. That was JD with the rock. Yeah, there it is. Interesting thing about here is the way the camera's pointed, what you're looking at. If you look down that way towards the mountains, there's a bend down there, and there's a creek that shows up in the springtime called Mendano Creek. We actually happened to be here one year when we were at the very front of its initial surge. And eventually this big area you see out here fills up I don't know, maybe a foot when it's really big.
Out there.
Normally a couple inches, but again, very cool.
And there goes the moron.
It's JD striding towards the mountains.
He is the clown of the group.
Down there. You're so manly. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Come on, keep going. You'll make it.
The rope.
You got your inhaler? You can do it, JD.
There
You can do it.
Go, Zen.
Go, JD.
My feet
Go,
will
JD.
not sink. My feet will not sink. Well done.
We were obviously not the only ones with cabin fever in Colorado. There was a lot of people on the sand dunes snowboarding, burying each other. There was quite a few folks out there just enjoying the sun. We had a lot of time on our long ride home to talk about what we had seen. It's amazing to think about a desert in the middle of the Rocky Mountains. I highly recommend, if you haven't been able to see it, to go ahead and take the ride out there. It's definitely worth the trip. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click like and subscribe below. We would really appreciate your support. And until next time, this is Exploration Unknown.